I'm going to show you how to solder copper pipe, also known as sweating copper pipe. First, you need a practice piece. I just found this old copper pipe. I'm going to solder on a coupler. We have sandpaper, automotive battery terminal cleaner, paste flux applicator brush, propane torch, and of course we have our lead-free soldering wire. Take your practice piece and clean the end of the pipe with sandpaper. Till it shines. You really only need to clean an inch up, but we have it shining pretty good. Next, you take your coupler, or the piece that you're going to solder on, and you take your battery terminal cleaner and you brush the inside, shining it up really well. Just like that. Now you take your soldering paste and you apply a thin layer with your brush on the outside of the pipe, all the way around. And then you do the same on the inside of the piece that you're going to solder on, in this case the coupler. Just like that. Insert the fitting onto the pipe. Give it a little twist to spread out the soldering paste on the inside. Make sure it's snug all the way down, and now it is time to solder. Now, to show you what I'm about to do, I'm going to take my propane torch and I'm going to hold a flame right here. And it's going to get real hot for a few seconds. I'm going to test the other side. And when the other side, the cool side, starts to melt the solder, then I know it will be hot enough to apply the solder around the edge. Since we applied the paste flux on the inside and on the end of the pipe, when we heat this up and put the solder on, the paste flux will pull the solder in all around and seal it. Now I will show you the process of soldering the end onto the pipe. This is called a capillary action that fills the joint with liquid solder. A correctly soldered joint should show a thin bead of solder around the lip of the fitting, as you can see here. You can take a dry rag and clean it up. Be careful, it's hot. Then turn the water on after it cools and check for leaks. If it leaks, take your torch, heat it up, take it off, start all over again, and re-solder it.